Lastly, the key takeaway from this particular session is the research process is a set of ordered steps that can help you to ensure your research is complete. Comprises of 5 steps that we have studied: identifying the purpose, designing your research, interpreting data, reporting the findings. With an example, we did it. There are 2 key types of research. There are qualitative and quantitative, where these are the 2 key types, where we also can include primary and secondary, depending upon what kind of research we are going ahead with. Lastly, research question demonstrate the aim of the research. So we have to firstly identify what kind of research question we will be uh, adhering to the entire research, then move into our research findings. Also create certain hypotheses that will help you to further analyze whether the hypothesis what that you have created is matching to what the data has been collected through the qualitative or quantitative research. Thank you.